to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Smart Art Day. Smart Art is a monthly art subscription box that sends you supplies for a project. Just real quick, I wanted to show you our January and February boxes. My January box was actually different than most people's because I got it in February. And they ran out of some items, so I ended up with a savoir-faire, can't say that 10 times fast, gouache, which is actually pretty vibrant. It looked really good, but I have some from previous art box many years ago, so don't get me wrong there. Art alternative markers, those actually were really pretty. A set of Royal watercolor pencils, those were okay. So, and then it had brushes, a palette, a Hahnemühle watercolor book, which was a thank you gift for waiting, Crescent watercolor boards. Like I said, definitely nice, just unfortunately I had a lot of those, but they did a really good job trying to make up for the fact that it was late. So absolutely cool there. February, I actually received February's before I received January's. I got the same as everybody else. It was a box of Marabu permanent markers. The set's called Hero of the Galaxy marker set, as well as a box of sketch pencils and some pigment liners from Art Alternative and some hot press boards. Honestly, I'm a little tired of Marabu. I mean, I get it, they're cheaper, they have quality products, but I have so many Marabu brands now, it's ridiculous. So anyways, I wanted to show you that I am doing my swatches, and I'm trying to keep track of value, things like that, in my bullet journal for this year. I'm also doing the same for Palettefull Packs and Sketchbox. So if you want to see my other boxes, take a look at those. I won't be showing you every month, every time, but if there's anything comparable, I'll be able to flip back and show you. So just wanted to let you know that is there, and this is just my normal bullet journal for the month, or for the year. So working on my future dates. So that's that, and I do know a little bit about what's in here, so it's going to be a little bit hard to swatch what's in here, but I don't know what products are in here. I just know like the topic. So let's see what's inside. It's kind of heavy this month. So there's the gorgeous artwork as always, and then here we go. So this already is gorgeous. I'm going to put it off to the side. I would love to do a piece of artwork that looked like that. So we have some huge brushes. This is a Princeton Ashley fan brush, number 6. This is a Princeton Ashley round, number 4, and that is super long. It's got to be 12 inches long. A Dum Dum Pop, some palette knives. Very nice palette knives. I like these versus the plastic ones that you sometimes get. Canvas texture boards. This one is 3 5x7. There's a very pretty sticker. So there's that, and then there's this. Actually, it looks like they're both same canvas texture boards. 3 5x7s, and then it looks like we have oil colors. So it is a Art Creation, Talens Art Creation, high quality from Holland's, 12 mil 24 pack. So we've got all this, and so it looks like we're doing some oil painting. The reason I don't oil paint, not because I don't like it, I enjoy it. It's hard to clean your supplies because you can't put it down the drain. So I tend to stay away from oil paints. So I don't know what I'll do. I was expecting something different, so yeah. Let's see what the book says. Maybe they got a special brand that can be washed down. Okay. So it's impasto painting. Italian word meaning dough or paste. Project tools. So the paints retail for $22.95. So for this big of a variety, for it to only be $22.95, it's not really high brand or high quality. Well, it might be good quality, but it's like more of the student grade than the higher grade. The knife set is $7.99. The brushes are $13.50 together, $6.75 each, and the canvas boards are $12.52. So $6.26. Like I said, I am not a huge fan. I may do, okay, here's the thing. I will go ahead and do this project because this project is a flower painting. Not quite that pretty, but a flower painting using your palette knife. I can totally do that because I can wipe off the palette knife with something disposable, like some toilet paper or something like that, and then that way I don't have to worry about cleaning off the brushes. However, I don't know. We'll see what I can do. Maybe I can do all 4 prompts with doing that. So that could be fun. So we've got Bloom, Reflection, Vase, and Sunshine. I will swatch this in my book with the palette knives. Yeah, then I don't have to worry about it. Also, oil paints, in order to clean off your brushes, you need solvent versus just water. Like acrylic, you can just wash it off with water. So I'm just going to paint with palette knives. So, yeah, I'm going to get swatching. Let me know what you think. I will let you know at the end what I think. And thanks for watching. Future Jen here. I just wanted to pop in and say, number one, I did the swatch on a separate card because I know how long it takes for these oil paints to dry, and I didn't want to put it in my journal and not be able to use my journal for the next 2 weeks. So that's why it's sitting here on a separate card, but I also wanted to let you know what I thought of these paints when it was all said and done. Using it with a paintbrush, like I said, is a little bit hard for me because of the solvents you have to use, and I don't particularly like throwing away, well, I don't like how you have to get rid of the solvents. So typically what I do with those is I let the solvents evaporate and eventually clean out the solvent, whatever's left of the paint residue, and then trash that. But that's just, I don't really like that. I'd prefer it to be water soluble. But because of that, I actually made this painting strictly, I did use one paintbrush that I actually was a trash paintbrush to throw away just to add a little bit of texture in the green that you just saw. But I actually really enjoyed painting with the palette knife. So I will be doing the rest of the prompts this month. Hopefully I can finish by the end of the month. So check out my Instagram for that. But I just wanted to let you know these colors are very vibrant. Even for, I know it's more of a student grade paint, but I absolutely loved it. I wouldn't change anything. So Smart Art did a great job, and these palettes were perfect for it. So I'm glad they went with the higher end palettes, or at least the metal palettes. I don't know if they're higher end or not, but had a lot of fun. Definitely enjoyed their little tutorial here. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comment box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Have a great day.